And they're on the way. We have number 6, Summit Dancer, draws for your lead. Final Judgment, moving up by the rail. You Belong to Me, Mr. Environment. Then running alongside Toa, Needs by the rail is Janet Lane. And moving up on the outside is Touch of Gold. Then followed by Changing Times as they round a 3/4 mile distance. Final Judgment, the favorite, in command by about a length. Running in second on the outside, You Belong to Me, Mr. Environment racing in third. Touch of Gold moving up on the outside, fourth. Toa Needs drops back in fifth. Summit Dancer racing in sixth, running by the rail. And running on between runners is Janet Lynn, and a long way back to Changing Times past the last 800. Final Judgment, this time by about 2 lengths. Running in second, You Belong to Me. Touch of Gold moving up on the outside, catching the second spot. Running in fourth, Mr. Environment. Toa Needs remains in fifth. Racing in sixth is entry number 6. And that's Summit Dancer. As they turn to the last 450, we have Final Judgment. Touch of Gold moving up on the outside. It's still Final Judgment. Back to 3 lengths lead. Touch of Gold is on the outside. Toa Needs moving up to take second. Mr. Environment, You Belong to Me. With the last 100 meters more to run. Final Judgment over Toa Needs on the outside. And finally, it's the favorite. Final Judgment, Toa Needs. Touch of Gold, Mr. Environment, You Belong to Me. Changing Times, Summit Dancer, and Janet Lynn comes in last.